Children, now I am going to teach about hybridization of carbon in carbocation. Already in the last video I explained how to find hybridization. Same method also followed here. First we are going to learn for carbocation. Carbocation means carbon bearing positive charge. Best example is CH3 plus carbocation. Now this is carbocation, this is sp2 hybridized. So if you are drawing the structure for CH3, C positive, hydrogen, 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 3 hydrogen. This is the empty p orbital. Empty p orbital. No electron will be there. This hydrogen only one atomic number, that is 1s1. So s orbital. This is sp2, this is s. So sp2 s overlap happened here. sp2 s overlap. So in this carbocation, the carbon bearing positive charge is sp2 hybridized. Hence it has a planar structure lying in the same plane. Here a nucleophile. What is meant by a nucleophile? Nucleophile is a negatively charged species. All Lewis bases are nucleophile. Nucleophiles means they are the reagents which have high affinity for electropositive centers. High affinity for electropositive centers. They possess an atom which has an unshared pair of electron. So they are in search of electron-rich positive center, and it can have an opportunity to share its electron to form a covalent bond and get stabilized. So usually what is meant by nucleophile means it is a negatively charged species. So there are two types of nucleophiles. One they are having negatively charged, other one is they are having unshared pair of electrons. So that nucleophile can attack this carbon either this side or this side. Both sides it can attack with the carbon. So this is a carbocation. Now if you are taking carbanion means carbon bearing negative charge. Negative, so electron rich. Now see the structure. Lone pair of electron. Now this carbon is sp3 hybridized. So carbon is sp3 hybridized, hydrogen is s. So sp3 s overlap is possible here. It takes the shape of a pyramidal and lone pair occupies one of the sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon. Now, if you are taking an alkyl free radical, that is CH3 dot, alkyl free radical. Only one unshared pair of electron in p orbital. Unshared pair of electron. This carbon is sp2 hybridized. This is s. So sp2 s overlap happens here. This takes the shape of a pyramidal or planar. Either pyramidal or planar. So carbocation, carbanion, alkyl free radical. Next, if you are explaining the stability of carbocations, now I have taken 4 examples. Here 3 alkyl group, here 2 alkyl group, here 1 alkyl group, here also it is free. Now there's a fact, these are all carbocations. So this here one rule, carbocation which is having less positive charge will be more stabilized. So see now this one. This is positive charge, methyl radical, methyl radical, methyl radical. If they are donating electrons, the positive charge become less when compared to the negative charges. So here next, if you are taking a next compound, two alkyl free radical donating electrons. So when compared to this one, this is somewhat less. Here only one methyl radical. So now which is having less positive charge? This is having less positive charge. Going on, it get increased. So this is more stability. Similarly, if you are taking a carbanion, it will be the reverse, carbanion. So the energy required to bring about homolytic splitting is greater than that of heterolytic splitting. So already I taught about nucleophiles. Nucleophiles are electron and having negatively charged. They have high affinity for electron positive centers. Similarly, there is one more species called electrophiles. Electrophiles means they are electrophiles they are electron deficient, so they are attracted towards the negative charge or electron rich centers. All the Lewis acids act as electrophiles. So there are also two types of electrophiles: neutral electrophiles, positively charged electrophiles. It's given in the book page number 164. You have to learn all the nucleophiles and all the electrophiles. Nucleophiles means negatively charged species, electrophiles means positive charged species. So this hybridization also given in book page number 163. Everything you go through the book and you prepare well.